To be honest with you, it's been incredible. Be at this event, be at the Brussels event. Very refreshing, the amount of attention that we got from your team.
Hi, Nick. Thanks for joining us today and sitting down with us here at Odoo Connect. Happy to have you here. Hopefully you had a great first day. We're on day 2 now. So just wanted to, for our audience at home, if you could just introduce yourself and your company.
Sure. I'm Nick Bova. I'm VP of Sales and Marketing for Ancora Software. We are an intelligent document processing platform, or IDP as it's referred to, that specializes in accounts payable invoice automation. So we kind of sit on the front end of the AP process. So as invoices are coming into an organization, we are identifying the invoices, separating them out into separate documents. And then the big value proposition is we're capturing the data from the invoices, eliminating the manual data entry that people have to do to normally get that data from the invoices into Odoo.
Could you tell us a little bit more about maybe a recent project that you've done where a customer came to you looking for that service?
Yeah, so we are really a brand new partner with Odoo. We have been on board now for less than 6 months. We're now working on our integration to Odoo. We're actually going to be at Odoo Experience in Brussels in a couple weeks, so we're really looking forward to that. The product is kind of unique in the marketplace in that we've been around for about 10 years now, and we've been using machine learning and artificial intelligence since day one.
Wow.
So way before it was, on the booths of every partner at every event, right? So we've got about 2,000 customers right now that are using our software globally. And the big difference in our software is we don't require any setup ahead of time. So with no prior setup, no pre-learning, no templates, we can take an invoice that nobody has ever seen before, and the first time we see it still captures 70 to 80% of the data from that invoice, including the line item detail. So those are our patented unassisted machine learning algorithms that do that. It's then presented to an operator, and that operator then it'll be all of the fields that the software didn't see, couldn't find, or wasn't sure of will be identified to the operator, who can then use assisted machine learning to finish the training of the invoice, and off you go. So we're not relying on any kind of pre-setup or training or LLMs or anything like that.
That's awesome and very innovative, I would
Yes.
think. It makes the customer experience a lot more streamlined.
Yes.
And it sounds like it reduces sort of that change management with the training because you don't require any.
Yes.
That's
Exactly.
awesome. Now, I kind of want to back up because you said, you've only been a partner for about 6 months.
Yeah.
What, drove your decision-making to strategically, create this partnership with Odoo?
Sure. So our go-to-market strategy is to partner with ERP companies, spend management companies, RPA companies, and just general workflow companies that need our software as part of their overall solution. With a lot of those companies, they're actually white labeling and OEMing the software. So we like to joke that we're the most successful IDP company that nobody's heard of, because of our 2,000 global customers, probably 1,900 of them use our software with somebody else's name on it.
Oh, wow.
So ultimately, we would love to have a relationship like that with Odoo, but we, like other ERPs that we've partnered with that have gotten to that point in our relationship, we started off like we're starting with Odoo. Working with Odoo Direct, working with Odoo Partners, being up on the App Store marketplace, getting customers, customers that we share, basically. And then moving on from there. So Odoo's out there. The marketing for you guys is incredible. I hear radio advertisements and things for you guys all the time. So I know you guys are growing and you're becoming kind of a force in this space, and it just makes sense for us to work with you.
That's awesome to hear. And yeah, I know there's been a lot of growth, and we do see a lot of partners that come in that may have some technologies that aren't only bringing value to customer, but potentially even other partners that might have customers with that specific need.
Exactly.
So it seems like you're kind of we kind of fit in well because not only is our customer base sort of aligned with what you're looking for, but also, the services that our partner network provides is also kind of one of your customers as well.
Exactly.
That's awesome to
Exactly.
hear. How's your experience with partners services so far? I know I hear a lot about account managers, but I know a lot of the new partners coming in are coming in and doing specific trainings and whatnot. So how's your experience been there in that aspect?
To be honest with you, it's been incredible. We reached out, started the conversation, and then, I mean, your people were chasing me more than I was chasing them, a fly in my face. um, and it was a very great experience. I mean, they were pushing us to, get things done, get the paperwork signed, get signed up, be at this event, be at the Brussels event. It's very refreshing, the amount of attention that we got from your team, and it's continued. I mean, just at this event, Ashka is our partner manager, and she's been around 7 or 8 times, making sure I didn't need anything, or I mean, it's just super refreshing because we do a lot of these things, and you don't see that at other events like this.
Yeah, and I think, as a partner manager for about 3 years now, I think that's one unique thing about Odoo is that a lot of people here, are, really passionate, especially here on the partnerships
Yep.
team. We want to see that success for all of our partners. And that doesn't, extend to just the partners that we manage, but I think it's also just all of the partners in the Odoo ecosystem.
Yeah.
I know I was talking to some other partners here today, and, while we've grown greatly, I think there's still more growth left. We were just really at the beginning. And, I think right now, there's more than enough of that, sort of pie for everyone to
Yep.
get there. So it's nice that there's that collaborative environment.
I almost feel like we're getting in, even though you guys have been around for a long time, but uh, you're just now hearing about Odoo out in the marketplace. I even had a couple people come by yesterday, one that was using SAP and another that was using Oracle, that said they're looking to change to Odoo. So, I mean, that's interesting to hear that.
Yeah, it's definitely something that I personally seen on the strategic team,
Yep.
many times, particularly SAP and NetSuite. And I think there's a lot of, larger enterprise level customers that are finally taking a look at Odoo. And, I think they're just waiting for that, one customer to take that first step forward and
Yep.
show that success. And, I think once that happens, it's probably going to, open the floodgates, so
Yep.
to speak.
Exactly. Exactly.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for sitting down with us, Nick.
Appreciate the
Appreciate
time.
talking with you.
Thank you.